Welcome to Adventures in Wisdom, where you can use stories to coach kids. Hi, I'm Renee Thornborough. I'm a personal development expert, certified coach, mother of twins, and author of the Adventures in Wisdom Life Coaching Program for Kids curriculum. Now, if you're passionate about helping kids be confident and prepared to handle those ups and downs of growing up and to really go for it in life, then you're in the right place. You know, our kids spend thousands of hours learning their ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, but most never learn that one thing that has the greatest impact on their lives. It's their mindset, how they think about themselves and what is possible for their lives. Yet mindset is at the core of self-confidence, self-esteem, and what our kids create in their lives. Think about this for a minute. Just like our kids aren't born knowing how to play the piano or to read and write or to play the game of baseball, they're not born knowing how to think for themselves and make good decisions. They're not born knowing how to push through their shyness or their fear and create confidence and courage. They're not born knowing how to manage their mistakes and overcome disappointments. And they weren't born knowing how to set and achieve their goals. But just like our kids can learn the game of baseball and learn these skills, our kids can also learn these life skills. And you can teach them how. And the best part is, you can use stories to do that. I'm looking for a special team of people who are committed to making a difference in kids' lives. And if you think that that might be you, I'd like to invite you to have a conversation with me about becoming a certified wisdom coach and coaching kids. Here's how it would work. Just fill out the form on this page, and you will immediately receive a copy of one of our stories as well as a brief overview about how the certification program works. Now be sure to jot down your notes while you're listening to that so that we can have an in-depth conversation whenever you're ready. Thank you so much for stopping by and for your interest in helping kids. I look forward to talking to you soon.